Over the past few years, we have slept in a wide variety of wacky places. Tree houses, overwater bungalows, but this is a first.
We came up to the Catskills in New York State, which is known for leaf peeping, hiking, and in the winter, snow skiing, to check out this one-of-a-kind Airbnb.
All aboard! We're about to sleep in a 100-year-old train caboose.
Listen, all you New Yorkers.
You ready?
Ready?
Let's go.
Okay. Do-do-do-do-do. Welcome to the caboose. Oh my God, it's so cute.
Oh, this thing is adorable. Look at this thing.
It's so cute. Huh. Not very tall, folks. Yeah, that's actually really comfy.
It is nice.
Sweet.
It's
Queen
nice.
size bed, couch. I mean, we are good to go, babe. There's a shower inside. Sorry, I had to do it. There is a shower inside the caboose, and it is tiny. I am 5'2". This is very tiny, but clean all the things that need to get cleaned. You know what I mean? And then I am standing in the kitchen / bathroom area of this caboose. Right next to me is a shower.
I think our Airstream shower is actually bigger. Welcome to our lovely shower. But I can't really move too much. It will do. It's adequate. It's perfect for this little stay.
Comes with soaps. I love when Airbnbs come with soaps. Wonderful. And then there's a little sink. Actually, it's not a little sink. It's a really big sink for this size of a caboose.
Are you a caboose connoisseur?
I'm a caboose connoisseur now. I think this is my first, and there will be many more. This is your kitchen sink / your bathroom sink. Gotta consolidate.
Oh, it is. Yeah,
It
that's
is.
right.
And then if you follow me into the kitchen, it was a very far walk, we have a little toaster oven, a microwave, and a mini fridge. Ta-da! So no stove, no oven, but it's not necessary. Shall you follow me into the bathroom? Hello? No one's in there, so we're gonna enter. Ta-da! The toilet. Very fancy, folks. You might echo though, as this does.
So this is the bedroom section of the caboose. And usually it's better to have Colette showcase beds and rooms because I just need to take up too much space. It is nice.
Sweet.
But it is a nice queen size bed. And what's cool is this thing has everything that you could want in a normal house or apartment. It's got running water, it's got a bathroom, it's got TV. We need to see if it's got cable. We're not sure about that just yet. Air conditioning, heat, so you can come during the summer or winter to this caboose. However, your train, what's a good train pun?
You can choose whatever season you want to.
Thank you, DP. But this is a cute, quaint, it's quintessential for any boy who loves trains or girl. I mean, everyone as a child loves trains. And what better way to make this dream of Thomas the Train a reality than actually coming and staying in your own train and having it all to yourself without a conductor. You're the conductor. You're the conductor here in this train. And then we can go outside. Just don't hit your head. You've got your own patio. So this lovely caboose is in the sleepy town of Windham, which is in the Catskills region of New York. And the Catskills are famous for multiple reasons. Why?
So the mountain stones in the Catskills Mountains actually make up many of the skyscrapers in Manhattan, including the Empire State Building and the Statue of Liberty.
It is also where the famous story of Dirty Dancing was set. Not filmed, but actually set. So just remember, nobody puts Windham in the corner.
Nobody puts baby in a corner.
So Windham and the Catskills are located about 2 hours north of Manhattan. So it is a great getaway from the city. And it's also a lot cheaper than Manhattan rent because for this bad boy, we paid $199 plus taxes and occupancy fees, which came out to a total of $304. Much cheaper than Manhattan.
A lot cheaper than Manhattan prices.
What do I believe? What makes me feel it to write?
All right, so one of the, you're right?
Yeah.
So one of the nicest features is this. The Caboose is like right over there. It's probably about 100 feet away, and we are on this beautiful river watching the sunset. Just some nice rapids. It's peaceful, it's serene. There's a lawnmower in the distance, but
It's fall.
it's fall, you know. What do you think?
I think it's beautiful.
It's nice.
It's a fun little getaway.
It is cool. You choose the right one.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
I try to keep us on the right track.
You've been training for this your whole life.
I have been. Damn it, I don't have a rebuttal.
I think I can. One more time. That's right.
Yay! Good job.
You keep blowing me out, I keep holding you in. I keep asking myself, oh, why do you still hurt? Why do you still hurt? Who's wrong and who's
Well, this is the first. We were enjoying our evening in the bed, in the Caboose, relaxing, and we have an alert of a big nor'easter headed our way with like a few inches of rain, 50 to 60 mile an hour gusts. So unfortunately, we're not going to be able to stay all night and see the morning sunrise. We're going to hit the road and head home. So bit of a bummer.
Hit the road before this storm hits us.
Bye, train. You were fun. Bye.
I just. Oh my god.
This is fun, huh?
I am full on grandma driving next to the steering wheel.
We can see about 30 feet ahead of us. And how fast are you going? 30 miles an hour? Yeah, this is
In a 55, yeah.
This is fun.
Seen a few deer. Luckily, they've been on the side of the road. Oh, got a car.
Oh my god, that is
Oh my god. That's
so
scary.
thick fog. Well, hope you're having fun.